What is a Microsoft 365 admin and what do they do? 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. Every Microsoft 365 for Business subscription requires someone to manage it, like adding users, updating billing info, or resetting passwords. The person who does this is called an admin. Depending on your business, you might have an IT department, someone who manages this for you. Or you might be the admin simply because you signed up for Microsoft 365. But what does an admin do? First, sign in at Microsoft365.com. Then select the app launcher in the top left corner and choose Admin. This takes you to the Admin Center where you can manage your subscription. Here are some common admin tasks you'll want to be aware of. First, managing user accounts. This includes adding new users or assigning them a Microsoft 365 license so they can download and use apps like Word, Teams, and Outlook. You'll also be resetting and managing employee passwords. Next is setting up email, where you can create custom email addresses with your business name to help with branding and build trust with your customers. Security is key for every business. Multi-factor authentication is on by default to protect you and your employees, and you can review or add more security features as you need them. Managing billing and payment information is another common task. You can view your bill, update your payment method, upgrade your subscription, and more. Last is getting support. If you run into any issues, we are here to help. In the Admin Center, just select Help and Support. Type in your question, and we'll get you the help you need, or connect you to an expert. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.